Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. I'm here at the headquarters of Milwaukee Tool with Tony, their product expert. You guys are developing more and more products. One of the most popular things for both professionals and consumers are these battery-operated blowers, and you've got a sweet one right here.
You're exactly right. This is our M18 fuel dual battery blower, so an incremental solution versus the current model that we have in the market today. And with blowers for Milwaukee Tool, this is not just about landscape maintenance and doing those types of applications. It actually is a strong tie to job site cleanup with all of our installed tradesmen that have M18 batteries who are looking for a faster way to do job site cleanup. But with this solution, we're delivering a significant improvement in blowing force, 60% higher than the current model that we have on the market, and it's delivering the highest constant power within the competitive set. So what that means is we're delivering higher blowing force than all of the gas handheld competitors in the market at 600 CFM, 145 miles per hour. But in addition, we're maintaining that blowing force throughout the entire battery discharge. So whether you have fully charged, half charged, or almost depleted packs, you're getting the same exact performance. Whereas a lot of battery-powered competitors, that performance drops off throughout the battery discharge. So with this solution, you don't have to change your application speed.
Talk about the throttle response on this tool.
Sure. With our fuel technology, we are delivering instant throttle response. So as soon as you pull that trigger, you're getting a response from the tool. No longer needing to pull start with gas solutions. And a lot of battery-powered competitors in this space, they have a delayed response where it takes 2 to 3 seconds to get up to speed, which reduces productivity. We're giving you all that power right at that trigger pull.
Talk about the decibel level, because that's something that's really terrific as well.
It's a hot topic these days. We're starting to see a lot of government regulations in certain municipalities where blowers that are being used have to be below 65 decibels. This unit is at 64 decibels, so completely compliant with any of those regulations that you see out in the market.
And it's part of your M18 line, so these batteries, while this one uses 2 batteries, these can be used in the full line of the M18. How many tools is that?
Yeah, so our M18 line consists of over 250 solutions, so it's not just outdoor products. We have a massive breadth of line for category and application coverage. But to your point, this does require 2 batteries. So you need 2 charged M18 batteries on this tool to operate, and that's helping us deliver the higher levels of power and extended runtime versus our current single battery blower.
Not only is it powerful, it's very well balanced, and you've got some other features to help the user not fatigue. Talk about those.
Yes, we're delivering the best clearing control with this solution, and that comes down to a couple things. First, very well-balanced tool. When you grab the handle, the tube naturally points down. But in addition, we've got an ambidextrous variable speed lock-on. So you can lock the unit onto any speed, and you can do that with either your left or right hand, which is critical because when users are leveraging handheld blowers, they're often changing back and forth on their hands to reduce fatigue. A lot of competitors have made these lock-on mechanisms a right-handed control by putting that speed lock on the left. So
how come they don't like lefties like me?
Hey, we're thinking about you,
Thank you very much. Thank you. You also have a fuel gauge, right, to let you know what kind of battery power you have that's right in your line of sight.
Correct. So that's on board in your line of sight as you're working. So if you're getting close to an end of discharge, you know you have to go back and swap out your batteries. So very convenient feature to have there.
And then a couple of accessories to go on the end to make the blower even more useful.
Correct. So we've got 2 different nozzle attachments. Right here, this is our concentrator tapered nozzle. So this is going to give you a concentrated airstream for more targeted applications. It also increases the airspeed. So you'll go from 145 miles per hour to 155. In addition, we have our flat nozzle. So this is going to give you a flattened airstream, giving you about 4 feet of clearing width. So if you're trying to blow debris off a sidewalk, whether it's grass clippings, fertilizer, you no longer have to swing the blower back and forth to cover that range. This is going to give you that 4 feet of clearing width so you can get the application done faster.
Impressive tool. If you'd like to learn more, go to acehardware.com or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store. Thanks, Tony.
No problem.